Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to make a quick tuna cheesy pasta salad and show you guys how to make a quick and easy lunch or dinner that you can make in no time. That is a healthy option for you, whether you're healthy or you're just looking for a quick and easy meal. So over here I have a pot with some water on that is about to boil. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there, adding a little bit of vegetable oil. And the pasta that I'll be using is a bio penny pasta, but you can use whichever pasta that you wish, but this one is perfect for me, so I'm using this one. So I'm going to throw almost all of this pasta in here to cook. I'll let this pasta cook for about 6 minutes. Here I have 2 medium-sized tin of tuna, and I have a pot of tomato sauce, bio tomato sauce. You can use whichever tomato sauce that you want. And then I have assorted sweet peppers, onions and garlic. I'm going to throw a little oil in my pot over here that is already preheated, so I can go ahead and saute all these seasonings right here. Stir that in so we can saute that. Well, we can take our pasta off and throw off the water, let it drain real quick. Inside this sauteed vegetable, we're going to get 2 tins of medium-sized tuna in there. We're going to throw off the water off the tuna first. And then to this tuna mix, I am going to add some of this tomato sauce. Then what I'm gonna do now is add some of my pasta to this. And mix that in. That's so good. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the mixture from the stove and throw it into this baking container, into this baking bowl here. I'm gonna top this off with some light cheese. I'm gonna grate some light cheese all over this, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna drop this into the oven for about 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius.
You have your mama.
You guys, here we have it 30 minutes later, and our cheesy tuna pasta is all all done, complete. You can have this for lunch or dinner, whichever you chooses. Hopefully you guys try this, and if you do, comment down below and let me know how you like it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.